Hi guys, so the most awaited Deriv P2P update is finally here, and today's video I'm going to be checking it out using the desktop version. But if you want me to do the one on the mobile phone, I can do that on iPhone and Android as well. So here is what's new. Of course, the entire dashboard has been redesigned. Everything looks totally different. So even if everything looks different, it's all the same. The functionality is basically the same. So if you don't see your local currency, if you see something else here, simply click on it, then search for your currency or your country, then you'll be able to see offers from your country. As for me, I'm from Zambia, and the currency for Zambia is Zambian kwacha, which is ZMW, this one here. And these are the offers that I'm seeing here. So to buy dollars is the same procedure, or even if it has been redesigned, simply click on buy, then enter in an amount you'd like to buy. Then once you do, the next step is to place the order. When you place the order, then you make the payment, then you wait for the person to approve. Okay, and always remember that always chat using the built-in chat system which is there. Don't chat from WhatsApp, don't chat from Facebook, because if you get scammed by chatting outside Deriv P2P, Deriv may not help you. Okay, and on the orders page, basically this is where you see the current orders and the past ones. So on the active, there's currently nothing. Then on the first, this is where now we'll be able to see. For example, this is the one that I did today. Okay, and it was I sold $12 and I received 224 at this one here. Then ads. So this is where it actually gets interesting. So let's try to create a simple ad and see what's new. Here I have to choose what type of ads I want to do. So if I say I want to buy, it means I want to buy dollars from people that want to sell their dollars. So don't get confused. It's actually straightforward, and a lot of people get confused that which one do I choose here. So to make things simpler, if you've got dollars in your P2P in Deriv, choose I want to sell. Okay, if you don't have the P2P money in there, like you want to buy, choose I want to buy. I think it's now straightforward. Yeah, I think you shouldn't be able to get confused. So let us say I want to buy, then you choose the currency, then you enter in the rate you have to use. So I'm going to use the lowest rate as possible so that no one uses me. So let us say rate per dollar at 5 kwacha. Then let us say I'm looking to buy like $10. Then I have to set the minimum order probably like 1 and the highest which is 10 that I want. Right? Then I'll click on next. Here I have to select a payment method, how I would like. So I'm going to choose Airtel and confirm. Remember you can add as many as possible again. Then here instructions for seller. So adding any information that you like your clients to know in advance. Next. So now here you choose how long you want your orders to be completed. So if you are probably doing the P2P like as a full-time business, choose the lowest as possible. It means that you're always online and you're always available to process a P2P order. But if you are in school or you got a job or you do certain things and you might not come back in 15 minutes, set the highest as possible, because once it expires, someone will never come back to your order again. So to be on the safe side, choose 60 minutes, because I don't think an hour can pass without you checking your phone. But yes, 15 minutes can pass without you checking your phone, but an hour probably can't pass if you know that you've got some adverts on the roof P2P. Then here it's important, choose the countries you'd like to receive money from. So there's a lot of money in a lot of countries like Kenya, Tanzania, Malawi, Zambia. But if For me, I would prefer keeping things simple. Okay, I would just keep it to my country where I'm from, which is Zambia. Okay, then I'll click on it, then I'll click on create ad. So once I click on create ad, okay, it's saying that you've successfully created a buy advert. If your ad doesn't receive an order within 3 days, to be deactivated. So I think this is to prevent people from having a lot of ads that are not even performing good, like no one is even using them. So in 3 days time, someone has to use my ad, otherwise to be deactivated. Okay, so now let us try to create a different ad. This time it's for selling. Now I don't think I can create a selling ad because I don't have any money. But I think I've got $1. Let's try if it will work. So I'm saying I want to sell. Then I'm going to choose the highest rate as possible. So total amount of that to sell, I think I've got $1 remaining. One, okay. Minimum order, again, I'm going to say one. Maximum order, I'm going to say one again. Let us click on next. Payment methods is Airtel. Confirm. Instructions, I'll leave them the way they are. Then country, I'll still choose Zambia, which is here. Then I'll choose 60 minutes. Then I click on create ad. Okay, so that's it. It's the same thing to be deactivated in 3 days if no one buys from me. So another important feature that is there. So for example, maybe right now the time is 22:55. So if I feel like I'm dozing, I want to sleep, instead of deleting these adverts by clicking here, what I can simply do is click on hide my ads. When I click here, no one is going to be able to see the adverts. So it's a good thing in case maybe you are going to go in a meeting, you are going to sleep, or you're just going to become busy. Simply click on hide so that you do not receive uh, orders. Okay, now on the profile here, this is what you're going to see. Yeah, when you join the recommendations and the stars you received. And the previous limit probably all of us had were like $600, but I don't remember asking for mine to be increased. So I don't know if this came with a new update or it was increased based on how much I do. I'm not sure. So please comment in the description your daily trade limit if this is the same for everyone. So you'll be able to see people you've blocked, people you follow, the payment methods you've added, the stats that you've done, okay, and the average completion time and so on. So basically, this is all about the Deriv P2P. Remember to join my Telegram channel and group. The link is in the description, as well as my WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description. But for now, this is Keith.